clients from LinkedIn? Is LinkedIn good for business development? How can I use LinkedIn to make more money? By the end of this video, you'll have 4 ways to leverage LinkedIn for business development and real practical tips you can implement right away to start really using LinkedIn like a pro. So keep watching. Hi, I'm Jessica Aries, a digital marketing strategist and leadership development consultant who helps busy lawyers and professionals build sustainable legal practices. For the best digital marketing strategies that help you spend more time serving clients instead of doing marketing, subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I post a new video. The most common request I get from professionals is to help them use LinkedIn effectively. The fact is, LinkedIn can be a wonderful business development tool, and many of you already know it. You're just not using it correctly. So let's get into the details of my tips for using LinkedIn like a pro. Number 1, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Contrary to popular belief, your LinkedIn profile shouldn't be a reiteration of your resume. It is a tool that helps you explain to your target clients what you do, who you help, and what makes you a great attorney. This means creating a compelling headline, writing an about statement that resonates and is specific to your target clients, and showcasing your experience in a visual and compelling way. Your headline and summary statement should clearly indicate what you do, who you help, and why you're great. In other words, if your headline is attorney at ABC law firm, your profile's not optimized. Instead, try immigration attorney who helps busy HR managers navigate tough employee immigration issues. Or fathers only divorce attorney protecting fathers' rights in high-stake divorce and custody disputes. Finally, be sure the rest of your LinkedIn profile is aligned with your headline. It looks really weird if there's a mismatch. Number 2, don't write like a lawyer. One of the most tragic mistakes I see lawyers make when writing content for LinkedIn is that their content is written as if LinkedIn were a law journal. Simplify your writing for your audience. I like to use the following format when drafting posts on LinkedIn: hook, story statement, call to actions, images and links, hashtags. Let's break down these components in a little more detail. The hook captures your audience's attention. The story or statement explains the hook and communicates your core message. Your images and links, they stop the scroll because they're visual. And your call to actions, they entice your audience to learn more, discover something new, or take some action. Your hashtags make it easy for your content to be found by others and for you to find your content later. If you want a few examples of really well-written LinkedIn posts, be sure to click the link in the description for my LinkedIn for Client Development cheat sheet. It includes a breakdown of all these concepts with real actionable examples you can start using to draft better, more engaging LinkedIn posts. Did you see what I just did? That's a call to action. Number 3, leverage your existing thought leadership. Too many attorneys I know write or publish client alerts, newsletters, blog posts, etc. on a regular basis and don't leverage it on social media at all. LinkedIn is a great place to share your thought leadership. One of the best ways to do this is by sharing your content on LinkedIn's native publishing platform, LinkedIn Publisher. When you add content to LinkedIn Publisher, it doesn't just stay on LinkedIn. It can be shared across other platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. It also gets indexed by Google, which means it's searchable in Google. Plus, you can add hashtags to your content to give it more exposure and reach. LinkedIn is the most used platform among Fortune 500 companies. Despite this, many people aren't utilizing LinkedIn Publisher, which means you can stand out from the crowd in a good way. Plus, you can leverage the content you already have written. Just upload it to LinkedIn. Yes, it's that easy. Number 4, use hashtags appropriately. So many professionals I know come to me and ask, what the heck is a hashtag and how do I use it strategically? Hashtags, or the # were originally created as a way to categorize content on Twitter. Because of their usefulness, hashtags are widely used on various social media platforms, including LinkedIn. There are 3 types of hashtags that I want you to use in your LinkedIn posts: branded hashtags, community hashtags, and campaign hashtags. Branded hashtags focus specifically on your business and are unique to your brand. These hashtags are typically hashtags you use in every post. An example might be hashtag KPMG, hashtag Apple, hashtag SCOTUS, hashtag Skadden. You get what I mean. Community hashtags focus on connecting like-minded people around a specific subject. These are typically hashtags that relate to your specific information in your post. For example, hashtag attorney, hashtag legal, hashtag fun fact Friday, hashtag Toronto, hashtag divorce, DACA. You get what I mean. And finally, campaign hashtags. These are specifically focused on a campaign you may be running, a season, or holiday. These are typically short-term hashtags. Examples of these might be like hashtag ice bucket challenge, hashtag Christmas, hashtag back to school. Okay, let's put this into practice. If you're a transactional attorney focused on business formations for restaurants with the firm name, let's say Harrison and McGray, you might use the hashtag LLC, hashtag restaurants, hashtag new business, hashtag Harrison and McGray, hashtag business attorneys, hashtag small businesses. So you're probably wondering, is there such a thing as too many hashtags? The answer is yes. You never want to have more characters in your hashtag than in your original post. Otherwise, you kind of look silly. For more examples of how one might use hashtags, download my LinkedIn for Client Development cheat sheet. Number 5, share and post content consistently on LinkedIn. Are you ready for my final tip so that you can really maximize your LinkedIn presence for client development? It's easy. It's just to post and share consistently with your network. I say it's easy, but this is actually one of the hardest ones for the lawyers and attorneys I work with to do regularly. Remember, when you receive an invitation to connect with someone on LinkedIn, the first question running through your mind is probably, do I know this person, and will connecting with this person be beneficial to me, right? Thus, as you grow and connect with others via LinkedIn, think about the kind of information and value you want to bring to the relationship. Nobody wants to connect with someone and feel like they're constantly being sold to, or worse, forgotten about. Don't ghost on your followers. They won't look on it kindly. You have to be consistent. I recommend using a content calendar to keep you on schedule, posting consistently. The easiest way to populate a content calendar quickly is to create themes around your content. I've included in my LinkedIn for Client Development cheat sheet my go-to themes for lawyers for client development. Download your free copy from the link below to gain insight into how I curate and create content quickly for my clients. If you found this video helpful, comment below with the word LinkedIn so I know to keep making videos like this. If you enjoyed this video, check out my other videos on digital marketing for lawyers. I'll link a few videos within this video as well as some down below. Want my best digital marketing strategies in your inbox each week? Sign up for my newsletter. I send out one great tip each week, so definitely check it out. Finally, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it, and spread it with your colleagues who need to hear it. And don't forget, comment LinkedIn if you found it helpful, and I'll continue making content like this.